Pharmacology, GPAT and Napier notes. Anti-cancer drugs. Anti-cancer drug, which is also known as anti-neoplastic drug. So, in anti-cancer drug, first classification, that is cytotoxic drug. Alkylating agent, nitrogen mustard, methormechlorothiamine, cyclophosphamide, ifosfamide, chlorambucil, melphalan, ethylenamine, thiotepa, alkyl sulfonate, busulfan, nitrosourea, streptozocin, carmustine, lomustine, semustine, methylhydrazine, procarbazine, triazine, procarbazine, dacarbazine, temozolomide, alkyl sulfonate, busulfan, platinum coordination complex, cisplatin, carboplatin, oxaliplatin. Antimetabolite. Antimetabolite first is folate antagonist, which include methotrexate, pemetrix, purine antagonist, 6-mercaptopurine, 6-thioguanine, azathioprine, fludarabine, cladribine. Pyrimidine antagonist, doxyfluoridine, 5-fluorouracil, capecitabine, cytarabine, gemcitabine. Then C. Anti-cancer drugs means which is a classification which is given by Bruce. So it is also known as Bruce classification, and which denote what means classification is based on cell cell cycle specific and cell cycle non-specific, and therapeutic index which is narrow, that is 1.5 to 2. And in Bruce classification, here is a log kill hypothesis. Follow first order kinetics, constant fraction of cell killed per dose, which is a first order kinetics. Then which is Araci, which is a drug which is included in pharmacognosy, which is a marine anti-cancer drug. Then adverse effect. Adverse effect of anti-cancer drug. First one is bone marrow suppression. Second one is alopecia, that is hair loss, mucositis, that is diarrhea, hyperuricemia, fetus, carcinogenicity, lymphocytopenia, and hepatotoxicity. So these first four are common adverse effect to all anti-cancer drugs. Then here is a trick, that is purine and pyrimidine. Purine contain adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine contain cytosine and thymine. So why included pyrimidine? So cytosine and thymine also include Y. So this should be short trick. Then what is the alkylating agent, which is a phase non-specific? Then most common site of alkylation is N7 of guanine. This should be important, and which is bonded to means covalently bonding. Then in nitrogen mustard, most important thing is that this is the adverse effect. See, cyclophosphamide. Here is a mechanism that ifosfamide and cyclophosphamide is metabolized to acrolein, and acrolein causes hemorrhagic cystitis, which is prevented by mesna. What is mesna? Mesna is mercaptoethane sulfonic acid, and for treatment we use steroid. And hemorrhagic cystitis is adverse effect for ifosfamide and cyclophosphamide. Then alkylating agent is also known as radiomimetic. So here is N7 guanine is important, N7 and guanine, and here is a which side effect, which is uh, because of this two drug, hypospamide and cyclophosphamide. Then here drug of choice for Wagner's granulocytosis. Okay, which cyclophosphamide is the drug of choice for Wagner's granulomatosis. Then okay, melphalan is used in multiple myeloma. Chlorambucil causes hyperuricemia. Cyclophosphamide is a prodrug. Methiclorma is also known as mustine hydrochloride. and E-phosphamide shows neurotoxicity. Then ethylenamine, which includes also acetamine drug. Then nitrosourea. So this should be a name. It should be remember. What is carmostene is BCNU, lomostene is CCNU, semostene is methyl. Then okay, all nitrosourea has used what? Cross BBB, that is blood-brain barrier, hence used in brain tumor and in meningeal leukemia. And side effect of nitrosourea is delay bone marrow suppression and neutropenia. Then whatever the temozolomide, which is a drug of choice for glioma, which is related to brain tumor. Then here methylhydrazine, which is a procarbazine, causes disulfiram-like reaction, that is intolerance to alcohol, weak MAO inhibitor. Then in platinum coordination complex, for which includes cisplatin, which has adverse effect nephrotoxic, ototoxic, and vomiting. So this should be very important. And nephrotoxic, which is irreversible, and ototoxic, which is irreversible. Then cisplatin, most imitogenic anti-cancer drugs. So this should be important. Then for imitogenic, drug of choice is ondansetron, which is a 5-HT3 antagonist. Ondansetron is given in early vomiting, less than 24 hours. So if delay vomiting greater than 24 hours, then drug of choice is neurokinin, which is a substance P antagonist, and drug include aprepitant. So, and we know that there are two types of tumor, benign tumor and malignant tumor. Benign tumor is not dangerous, malignant tumor is dangerous. Then here in antimetabolite, which is a S phase specific, immunosuppressive, folate antagonist, Pemetrix show hand and foot syndrome. Then cladribine, which is a drug of choice for hairy cell leukemia, fludarabine, which is a drug of choice for chronic lymphoid leukemia. In pyrimidine antagonist, 5-fluorouracil, which inhibit thymidine synthetase. 5-fluorouracil causes hand-foot syndrome. Capecitabine, given orally, metabolized to 5-fluorouracil. Cytarabine causes cerebellar side effect like ataxia, cytosine arabinoside. And gemcitabine, drug of choice for pancreatic carcinoma. Then here, drug causing pulmonary fibrosis, cyclophosphamide, busulfan, methotrexate, amiodarone, bleomycin. So this should be remembered. This should be remembered from what? Cycle, bus, truck, drone, blue. Cycle means what? Cyclophosphamide. Bus means busulfan. Truck means methotrexate. Drone means amiodarone, and bleo means bleomycin. Then colorectal carcinoma, Folfox regime, that is folinic acid plus 5-fluorouracil plus oxaliplatin. Folfil regime, folinic acid plus 5-fluorouracil plus irinotecan, which are used in colon cancer. Then drugs affecting purine metabolism. 6-mercaptopurine is converted 6-mercaptopurine and xanthine. When xanthine oxidase enzyme is active, then 6-mercaptopurine causes degradation and xanthine is converted to uric acid. Allopurinol combination, 6-mercaptopurine dose should be reduced. Okay, means when we have to give anti-cancer drugs, that is 6-mercaptopurine, so we have to reduce dose with allopurinol. Allopurinol combination, azathioprine dose should be reduced. 6-mercaptopurine is the active metabolite of azathioprine, that is the immunosuppressant. Xanthine oxidase contain molybdenum, which is excreted in urine. Then this should be important about cytochrome oxidase contain copper, alcohol dehydrogenase contain zinc, means this copper, zinc and molybdenum are the cofactor which are required for that enzyme. So molybdenum is required for xanthine oxidase, copper is required for cytochrome oxidase, zinc is required for alcohol dehydrogenase, zinc is required for carbonic anhydrase, zinc is required for ACE inhibitor, and for glutathione peroxidase, selenium is required. Then here drug affecting folic acid metabolism, folic acid synthesis. When pteridine, pteridine plus PABA and glutamate, which combine to form dihydrofolic acid, that is FH2, and which is folic acid. Then when dihydrofolate reductase enzyme act, which is converted to tetrahydrofolic acid, that is FH4 folinic acid, and finally it helps to formation of DNA. Then if we give methotrexate drug, which is anti-cancer drug, and which inhibit irreversibly, so which inhibit dihydrofolate reductase enzyme, and the formation of DNA not take place. So this should be mechanism of cancer cell. So we prefer methotrexate. Then see here methotrexate, which is a dihydrofolate reductase inhibitor. And what is the use of methotrexate? Okay, see, methotrexate is also known as amethopterin. So this should be important. Methotrexate is also known as amethopterin. Then methotrexate contain pteridine ring, and pteridine ring is a combination of pyrazine and pyrimidine. So this should also be asked. Then uses of methotrexate, which is remembered from cancer word. C for choriocarcinoma, drug of choice. A for acute leukemia. N for non-Hodgkin lymphoma, C for Crohn disease, E for ectopic pregnancy, R for rheumatoid arthritis, which is a drug of choice. Adverse effect 1, 2, 3, 4 means whatever we see in previous slide, which is most commonly side effect, and which methotrexate has also adverse effect, causes megaloblastic anemia, which is a hepatotoxic, and which also cause neurolysis. Then new dihydrofolate reductase inhibitor, pemetrexate, used in mesothelioma, palatrexate, which is a peripheral T cell lymphoma. Then if methotrexate poisoning take place, then which is can be treated by first folinic acid. Folinic acid is also known as leucovorin or citrovorum. Okay, this should be first treatment. Then second one is what? We should give glucorapidase or dialysis in extreme toxicity. First, in extreme toxicity we use this, but in early stage we can prefer folinic acid. And this should be important. What? Folinic acid is also known as leucovorin or citrovorum. Then here regimen used in non-Hodgkin lymphoma is MVPP, means what? Which drugs are used in non-Hodgkin lymphoma. So they should be remembered from MVPP. M is for meclorithamine, V for Vinca, P for procarbazine, and P for prednisone. Then this is second classification, that is anti-cancer 2, cytotoxic drug 2, microtubule damaging agent, which is also known as drug acting on mitotic spindle, which is a specific for M phase of cell cycle, which include vincalicoloid. Vincalicoloid contain vincristine, which is also known as oncovin, vinblastine, vinorelbine, and vincalicoloid inhibit polymerization of microtubule assembly. Then in microtubule damaging agent, second one is taxane, which include paclitaxel and docetaxel. Third one is istamostine. Then in classification for here is a topoisomerase 2 inhibitor, which include etoposide, anthracycline. Anthracycline contain doxorubicin, daunorubicin, which include here antibiotic. I also wrote here, don't worry. Topoisomerase 1 inhibitor, topotecan, irinotecan. Antibiotic, dactinomycin or actinomycin D, doxorubicin, daunorubicin, epirubicin, metoxantrone, bleomycin, mitomycin C, miscellaneous, hydroxyurea, L-asparagines, tretinoin, arsenic trioxide, and thalidomide. Then C, we know that microtubule damaging agent means which is specific for M phase of cell cycle, means all three are M phase specific. Then vincalicoloid, what is the mechanism of action of vincalicoloid? Which inhibit polymerization of microtubule assembly. Then vincristine is also known as oncovin, and which is a marrow sparing anti-cancer drug. Then C, mechanism is here spindle formation inhibitor, vincristine, vinblastine. Vin means what? Without spindle. And side effect are peripheral neuropathy, alopecia, SIADH, that is syndrome of inappropriate secretion of ADH. Then taxane. Taxane has paclitaxel and docetaxel. Paclitaxel side effect is diarrhea, which is in taxane, which is also known as Taxol. Taxol content. Taxol is a diterpene ring, diterpenoid. Then paclitaxel, what configuration here is 2s 3r. Then mechanism of taxane is spindle breakdown inhibitor. Side effect is allergy, increased polymerization of microtubule, assembly in absence of MTP and GTP. So this MCQ should be asked that in MCQ you got option like this. So here is absence is important and increase is important. What? Increase in polymerization of microtubule, assembly in absence of MTP and GTP. And for treatment of SIADH, first one is fluid restriction, second one is hypertonic solution, and third one is furosemide. Then taxane, which contain tricyclo, means IUPAC name tricyclo 9310 pentadecane ring. So this should be important. Then istramycin, eribulin, and ixabiplone. Istramycin is antibiotic. Istramycin used in prostatic cancer, and these two are used in breast carcinoma. Then here is a topoisomerase 2 inhibitor and topoisomerase 1 inhibitor. So this should be important. What? Topoisomerase, which is obtained from podophyllum, that is podophyllatoxin, which is a resin, and topoisomerase 2 act on G1 and G2 phase. Then etoposide can cause secondary leukemia, which is early in onset. Then anthracycline, example what? Doxorubicin, dororubicin, which is a cardiotoxic, prevented by dexrazoxane. There is a topoisomerase 1 inhibitor, which is obtained from Camphotheca. Camphotheca is also known as cancer tree or happy tree. Camphothecin analog, which act on G2, which contain topotecan, irinotecan. Irinotecan is a prodrug used for colorectal carcinoma. Then antibiotic. All antibiotic are non-specific except bleomycin. Bleomycin act on G2 phase. Actinomycin D, which is also known as dactinomycin, and doxorubicin, radiation recall reaction. Then bleomycin is a peptide. Mitomycin C, source is Streptomyces cespitosus. Then here is a miscellaneous hydroxyurea. Hydroxyurea, which is a yes specific, inhibit ribonucleoside diphosphate reductase toxicity. There is a myelosuppression. Then L-asparagines, which is marrow sparing, used for acute lymphoid leukemia, causes allergy, cause acute pancreatitis G1 phase. Then arsenic trioxide, which is a retinoic acid used in acute promyelolactic leukemia. Thalidomide, used for multiple myeloma. Contradiction in pregnancy, cause peripheral neuropathy, constipation, and is teratogenic, means whatever the S isomer which is a teratogenic. Then here bleomycin, what I wrote, bleomycin from Streptomyces verticillis, marrow sparing, causes pulmonary fibrosis. Bleomycin metabolized by bleomycin hydroxylase, which is lung pulmonary fibrosis, and in skin flagellated pigmentation or cell carcinoma, and effective in squamous Hodgkin lymphoma. Then on the upper side, spindle formation, polymerization of tubulin protein, topoisomerase 4, which is present in gram positive, which is DNA gyrase, which is present in gram negative. Topoisomerase 2 in human. Topoisomerase introduces negative coiling and help in replication or unwinding of DNA. Means what is the role of topoisomerase, which causes unwinding of DNA or introduces negative coiling and help in replication. Topotecan, metastatic carcinoma of ovary and small lung cancer, semisynthetic analog of camptothecin. Marrow sparing anti-cancer drug, vincristine, bleomycin, L-asparagines, streptozocin, nitrosourea. Mitoxantrone, anthracycline derivative related to doxorubicin. Ewing sarcoma, rare type of that grows in bones or soft tissue around bones. Then adverse effect of important anti-cancer drugs, which is remembered from Chemoman. Here is a Chemoman. This is the cap, this is the ear, nose, lung, heart, liver, kidney, urinary bladder. So this should be figure. So first one is what? V. V is for what? Wind crysting, wind blasting. And so this should be side effect is what? Peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy means what? Here is a this is present on periphery and legs are present on periphery. So in wind crysting, V is for what? Peripheral neuropathy and SIADH. Then cisplatin. Cisplatin means here is the shape of ear. So what? Ototoxicity. Here is also shape of C, that is kidney. So nephrotoxicity and maximum vomiting because mouth shape is also C. Then third one is bleomycin bosulfan. B is related to what? Shape is related to lungs. So bleomycin and bosulfan causes pulmonary fibrosis or lung fibrosis. And bosulfan is a sulfur stripping agent. Then D. D means what? D for doxorubicin and danorubicin. DIL. What is DIL? Which is related to heart. Means what? Cardiotoxicity. And danorubicin. Color of urine is red. Then 6. Shape of 6 is related to liver. So 6 mercaptopurine and 6 theoguanine, which is a hepatotoxicity. And C for cyclophosphamide, which is related to urinary bladder, and side effect is hemorrhagic cystitis, inflammation of urinary bladder. Here use means in Burkitt lymphoma, which is related to Epstein-Barr virus, and use is cyclophosphamide. Means we use cyclophosphamide in Burkitt's lymphoma. Here is a hand-foot syndrome. Inhibit thymidylate synthase. Hand-foot syndrome drug related what? First one is Pemetrix, 5-fluorouracil, capecitabine, doxorubicin. Inhibit DNA polymerase, fludarabine, cytarabine. Vitamer. Vitamer include what? Retinol, retinoic acid, retinol. Doxorubicin, adriamycin. Radiosensitizer, metronidazole, 5-fluorouracil, lactinomycin. MVPP, non-Hodgkin lymphoma, MVPP, meclorithamine, Vinca, procarbazine, prednisolone. Tagafer, apecitabine, prodrug, 5-fluorouracil, which is converted to 5-fluorouracil, and aryolic acid, oligos, which inhibit DNA-dependent RNA polymerase. This one is third classification. Anti-cancer drugs 3. Targeted drug. Tyrosine protein kinase inhibitor. Imatinib, nilotinib, dasatinib. EGF receptor inhibitor. Gefitinib, erlotinib, cetuximab. Angiogenesis inhibitor. Sunitinib, bevacizumab, sorafenib. Proteasome inhibitor. Bortezomib, carfilzomib, ixazomib. Monoclonal antibody. rituximab. This is a targeted drug. Then hormonal drug. Hormonal drug include glucocorticoid, prednisolone and other. SERM, selective estrogen receptor modulator, tamoxifen, tormifene, clomiphene. Aromatase inhibitor, letrozole, anastrozole, exemestane. 5-alpha reductase inhibitor, finasteride, dutasteride. Progestin, hydroxyprogesterone acetate and other. Then gonadotropin releasing hormone analog, nafarelin, leuprorelin, triptorelin. Anti-androgen, flutamide, bicalutamide. ACR down regulator, fulvestrant, estrogen, ethyl estradiol, phosphestrol. Then here is a tyrosine protein kinase inhibitor, which is means what? Tyrosine kinase is an enzyme which is secreted by chronic myeloid cell. So we inhibit this enzyme. And drugs include what? IND, India, I for imatinib, N for nilotinib, and D for dasatinib. Imatinib is a drug of choice which is given by orally. Nilotinib, which causes QT prolongation, which is 20 to 50 times affinity more than imatinib, and dasatinib. EGF is what? Epidermal growth factor, and which is related to transmembrane receptor, which include gefitinib, erlotinib, cetuximab, afatinib. and this is related to HER1 or ARB beta 1. Then angiogenesis inhibitor. Angiogenesis means what? Proliferation of new blood vessel, and this should take place in only cancer cell. So we have to inhibit angiogenesis. Then sunitinib bevacizumab, which is given by IV, sarafimib, and what? Bevacizumab plus 5-fluorouracil, which is used in metastatic colorectal carcinoma. Proteasome inhibitor. Then Exaze may be used for multiple myeloma. CD20 inhibitor, monoclonal antibody. Rituximab used for non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Then C, this zombie. This is also known as zombie drug, and which are nuclear factor kappa B mediated signaling. Then rituximab used for non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Here is a unnamed monoclonal antibody, cetuximab, used for colorectal cancer. Rituximab, trastuzumab, used for breast cancer. Side effect is cardiotoxicity. Oophorectomy, removal of ovary. Orchectomy, removal of testes. Bax protein, role is apoptosis. Vascular endothelium growth factor, VEGF, stimulus for neovascularization. Radiation therapy include what? First is radioactive sodium phosphate, P32. TF is 14.3 days. Lymphoma, leukemia, polycythemia. Second one is sodium iodide, iodine 131. TF is 8 days. Radio gold solution, AU 198. Then in hormonal drug, glucocorticoid, which is marked for lymphocytic action. Adverse effect are Cushing syndrome, moon-like face, osteoporosis due to glucocorticoid. Dexamethasone palliative effect obtained in Hodgkin disease. In ACRM, used in breast cancer. Aromatase inhibitor. Aromatase inhibitor should be remembered from ALI. That is A for aromatase, L for letrozole, anastrozole, and exemestane. Letrozole, estrogen positive cases of breast carcinoma. Anastrozole is more potent than letrozole. Exemestane is a reversible inhibitor of aromatase used in breast carcinoma. Bioavailability is 100%. Then here is a 5-alpha reductase is helpful for conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone. So we have to inhibit that, and this should be done by 5-alpha reductase inhibitor, and used in advanced carcinoma prostate. Progestin in endometrial carcinoma, high dose are needed. Palliative treatment of metastatic breast carcinoma. Then it is estrogen, symptomatic relief in carcinoma prostate, androgen dependent tumor. Phosphastrol, phosphate derivative of stilbestrol, used in prostatic cancer carcinoma. ACR down regulator, estrogen pure antagonist. Interaction with ER with DNA and increase degradation of receptor. Anti-androgen, flutamide bicalutamide, antagonize androgen action on prostate carcinoma. Then GnRH analog indirectly inhibit estrogen androgen secretion by suppressing FSH and LH release from pituitary gland. Palliative effect in carcinoma breast prostate, generally used in combination with anti-androgen or ACRM. So this should be important. What? In tyrosine protein kinase inhibitor, this should be remember what? Philadelphia chromosome. And here is also this is important, BCR and ABL, tyrosine kinase inhibitor. Renal cell carcinoma, pass. Pazopanib, A for azitinib, B for sorafenib, B for sunitinib. Hepatocellular carcinoma, sorafenib. GIST, gastrointestinal stromal tumor. Sunitinib, imatinib. Regorafenib, also used for colorectal carcinoma. Malignant melanoma, dabrafenib, vemurafenib, trabectedin. Medullary cancer of thyroid, vandetanib. PARP inhibitor, poly-ADP ribose polymerase inhibitor, enzyme required for cell survival. Olaparib, used in ovarian carcinoma. O for ovarian carcinoma, P for poly-ADP ribose polymerase. This should be trick. cyclic dependent kinase inhibitor CDKI. Palbociclib, orally drug for breast carcinoma, acts on CDK4, CDK6. PEL, B for breast cancer, O for orally, cyclic for cyclic dependent kinase inhibitor. Androgen, used in disseminated carcinoma of breast, oophorectomy, removal of ovary. Aromatase inhibitor, aromatization of aromatic ring, testosterone and androstenedione is final step of production of estrogen in body. Estrogen play important role in breast cancer. Hormone and their antagonist. They are not cytotoxic but modify the growth of hormone independent tumor. All hormone are only palliative. Varnistat, Varnistat, histone deacetylase inhibitor for cutaneous T-cell lymphoma. Amifostine, agent prevent radiation-induced xerostomia and cisplatin-induced nephrotoxis. Prostate cancer, CHRM1, promote growth breast cancer, HER2, breast cancer, BRA1 and BRCA2, prostate cancer, acid phosphate. Thanks for watching.